Hi everyone, I am delighted to announce a free webinar for everyone who knows me and who wants to know me. So this is an introductory webinar to find out who Usha Pandit is, so that you are more confident when I put out courses and workshops and webinars to actually come and listen to me. So what am I doing in this? I'm basically telling you who I am. So I've been teaching for the past 30 years. I've been a consultant. I've written 40 textbooks. I'm a YouTuber with 200 teaching videos. I blog. I consult. So there's a lot that I've done in education. And I want you to know how I teach you. So all the arms of English, whether you look at the listening, speaking, reading, writing, you look at handwriting, you look at spelling, you look at grammar, you look at creative writing, all of them are very closely and intricately meshed. So when I teach you how to teach English, I'm basically looking at how you can integrate all these arms of English. And in this free webinar, I've got something for everybody. I'm doing it from grades 1 to 10. And you will have takeaways of items for each of these grades, not only for you to see the progression, but also for you to take back and do it in your classrooms immediately the next day. So that's how useful it's going to be. So do come, because it's a date. I really want you to touch base with me. So what am I going to do? I'm going to talk about most pertinent things like how can we lessen the struggle of teachers, very important. How can we make learning autonomous and permanent with students? What should we do to make that happen so that again teachers are relieved of the stress? How can we make logical progression in critical thinking, for example? Do we have easy methods to teach? Can we cut corrections of teachers? I'm going to talk about some of these very pertinent things that are valuable to you because you are struggling with these areas of teacher pedagogy. Okay? So I'm going to look at what are the important skills in every year. So if you're coming to the workshop, what you're going to see is progression from 1 to 10 and how each year there is a particular skill that needs to be focused upon, that is salient, that is important, and that overview is very, very important no matter which grade you're teaching. How to approach a text and enable criticism or enable analysis of that text by the students without you actually doing it for them. So how to be a facilitator is something that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to give you shortcuts to the boards, academic language. All of these goodies are going to be part of this free webinar. Imagine doing so much for free. So don't miss it. Come and take a peep, take a look, register yourself so that we can contact you whenever we put out really great workshops in the future. So there's something for every teacher, guys. Come and get it. You're going to get it on our website www.mindsprings.in. It's sitting there so you can come and see it anytime, as many times as you want, and use all the materials that are there in it for free. So it was lovely knowing you. I'm signing off now. Usha Pandit.